हाँ सर, थोड़ा सा आगे आइए ना.
Okay, fantastic.
जॉन सर, आपका opening हो रहा है.
चल ले लो. हाँ ये चलो पीछे आ जाओ थोड़ा सा इस तरफ. बड़ा भाई 1 मिनट. बड़ा भाई 1 मिनट. हाँ ये
क्या बात है. नाइस. ओह, ए, मास सर. सर सर थोड़ा सा इधर घुमाए ना. हमारी तरफ. सर सर सामने.
सर इस तरफ सर.
चलो भाई सोलो सोलो.
सर सर सर.
हाँ यार अपना फुल होएगा भाई. मैं तो फुल रेडी हूँ पीछे. थैंक यू. सोलो नो सोलो. चलो.
I'm doing one after very long. I mean, so much so, I mean, when Gupta came and met me in my van, I had pre-decided before the narration started that he's come to offer me a gangster's role. I don't know why. And I was very pleasantly surprised when he said you're playing the cop. But again, then there was a fear after that. I was very anxious कि ये एक righteous cop नहीं निकले. He doesn't turn out to be a very unidimensional, you know, straight-jacketed cop. But then Gupta said ये cop भी गुंडे से कम नहीं है. So then I realized that, okay, now I have something to chew on in this film, because I've never really ever seen characters as, you know, white hat and black hat. You know, all these characters live in a certain gray world, which I find to be very relatable. And the making of this film, although they're two very different films, just took me back to Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. Just the feel, just the way we were shooting it, ultimately how the film has been mounted. All of that reminded me of that. And it's very difficult to kind of constantly surprise people in a genre, and especially a gangster genre. And that's what Sanjay was saying, that you want to surprise the audience. And I didn't pick up any script before this because those scripts were not surprising the audience. They all were like a copy of something I'd already done. But this is something that's unique in its style and its narrative.
I see, you must do films that relate to a mass audience and a universal audience, and not just a few people probably sitting in one fancy theater. And I think this film reaches out to the masses. And I saw what Maniya Surve did for me, and I'm sure for Sanjay also. You know, so I think this has got a lot of relatability with a very large section of an audience, especially I wouldn't say multiplex a single screen, but yes, the mass audiences, when you go into the interiors of India, they really remember these characters. They're memorable. Imran's character is memorable. In fact, everybody on this podium out here has a fantastic character in the film that's memorable. So I think when you make films, make it for the people. You know, we try and cater to a very small audience. We get scared of criticism only on the net. You know, I think the biggest cuss word today in my life, at least, is I'm scared to trend. If I trend, I know I'm a joke. So I want to stay away from this trend business. And I really want to reach out to the masses. And I think Mumbai Saga is giving us an opportunity to actually go out back into the masses, where we belong to. And people like me, my career was made in screens. So why can't I reach out to them? You know, so why can't I go back to them? I'd rather go back to them, and I'd rather be catered to by these audiences. So that's exactly what Mumbai Saga does. And I enjoy playing gangster with Sanjay Gupta. It's like on autopilot. He stands in front of me and he looks at me, John. I'm like, okay, let's go. So that's it, you know.
हाँ, अगर 10 करोड़ किसी को भी मिले बहुत एनर्जेटिक होगा. बट जैसे संजय सर ने पहले ही कहा कि वो फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही काम करते हैं मोस्टली. सो आई थिंक इट वाज जस्ट अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल एटमॉस्फेयर टू बी इन. एंड आई थिंक जो ट्रेलर आपने देखा वो तो सब बयान करता ही है कि फिल्म क्या है, गैंगस्टर्स है. लड़कियों का कुछ काम ज़्यादा कभी रखते नहीं है संजय सर, अनफॉर्चुनेटली. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द बॉयज बीटिंग अप ईच अदर. But yeah, it's been a great experience. Obviously, it's a fantastic film to be part of with such a great star cast. And again, like I said, the boys beating each other, because I think boys only like that. punching and kicking. But it's been a fabulous experience, and I'm just glad to be sharing this space with everyone.